How you going, guys? James here with a brand new product, part of our Grizzly range. Here at Bentech, the Grizzly team are always working on brand new ways to provide safe and more efficient products for our clients. And this here is a perfect example of that. This is our brand new chain caddy. Now, this is the safest way to transport any rigging or lifting units across your workshop or site. As standard, this unit comes with caster wheels, a handle for safe mobility, as well as this link assembly unit. Optional extras that you can also have for this unit include the D-shackle rack and this divider, which can be moved from left to right depending on what you're needing it for, as well as a second handle for mobility. Now guys, the great thing about this unit is that these units here, the D-shackle and the link assembly, you can have these on both sides or all four sides. They just slot into these slots here. It's perfect for a custom unit depending on what you're using it on site for. Now, if you guys want a unit for your workshop, reach out to us via LinkedIn, our website, or via email, and we'll give you as much information as you need. Thanks, guys.